Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious curry to eat with rice. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need your choice of protein, like chicken or tofu, along with your favorite vegetables. Don't forget a good quality curry paste, fresh garlic, ginger, and onions for that aromatic base. Also, have your coconut milk, broth, and any additional spices on hand. Now, let's build those incredible flavors. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add your chopped garlic, ginger, and onions, sautéing them until they become fragrant and slightly softened. Next, stir in your curry paste and cook it for about 1 minute, allowing its complex aromas to develop. Then, add your protein and brown it lightly. With your base established, it's time to bring everything together. Pour in your coconut milk and broth, stirring well to combine all the ingredients. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then add your chosen vegetables. Let it cook until the vegetables are tender crisp, ensuring they retain some bite. Finally, season with salt, a pinch of sugar, and fresh herbs like cilantro for a vibrant finish. Your homemade curry is now ready to be enjoyed. Ladle generous portions over a bed of freshly cooked, fluffy white or brown rice. For an extra burst of freshness, garnish with some chopped cilantro or a squeeze of fresh lime juice. This dish is perfect for a comforting meal. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.